times the time that his rant as his fist to throw. Now it's on, here comes that man, let's go. It's kicking with the boys till the crew turned up. We're ready to rumble when we're drunk as fuck. Ready to rock up with the new song. So we're ready to switch to like Tyson mode on. I'm gonna be humble, we're ready to rumble. We're defending and jumping as I'm out from left, right, it's now the fight. Motherfuckers said it crashed tonight. Nothing but jaw, but it's hit the floor. Some weak motherfuckers yelling, please don't war. And then you motherfuckers can't believe what I just saw. No guns and knives, just a good old fashioned brawl. Ready for war, won't be punished no more. Fuck all of yours, sure you're talking shit more, but I'm sure you're for sipping soup to withdraw. How's your jaw? Well, you hit the floor hard, now you're in the hospital ward. What? You're not recognised or? Well, that's what you get, be met with world war. So next time you're in trouble, I want to double your number. Be buried under rubble and slumber, cause from now on you ain't just knocking them out, you're choking them out. Submit all your elbows popping out, I mean this, and your means necessary. I don't give a fuck, you're deemed an adversary. So jump in your trunks and bring however many you and your crew are about to be buried.
Usually I'm a peaceful man, but it seems to me you find it hard to understand.
Abusing me will be the last strand of being stretched about as far as one man can.
So now I raise my hand and I raise my voice. I've now made my choice to now make some noise.
Yeah, the balls, here it is, stand back to back. Yo, Mac, have you got my back?
Hell yeah, and then I'm here any day of the week. Just thinking I'm here getting ready for me. Fuck yeah, let's blaze right here in the street. 3,000 sweets, blood stains in the street. Bring it on, cause it's about time to roll. Are you ready to go to where you gotta go? Well, if not, get the fuck up out of here.